morning, USA and Canada. So from today, I'm going to start this new series in which I'll be discussing about my analysis about Dow Jones Industrial Index, S&P 500, and whenever whenever I find good opportunities in any of the stocks traded in USA and Canada, I'll be discussing about it. So let me start with the Dow Jones. So let me make it very clear to you that most of my trading or most of my analysis is based on options data. Okay, so options data will be my base on which I'll be doing my analysis, and I'll be trying to identify the levels which are prominent for Dow Jones as well as S&P 500 and the stocks also. Okay. So as far as Dow Jones is concerned, it is in a bear's territory, you can say. Okay, looks like it is into that bears are overpowering as of now, and this can be considered as a dead cat bounce. Okay, so prominent resistance for Dow Jones is at 34,000. So if I was in your place, and if I get entry anywhere close to 34,000 or anywhere between 34,000 and 34,100, I would definitely take a short trade in Dow Jones. Okay, and depending upon after the markets will open, I will I will check the latest options data. But as of whatever data I have access to, so anywhere between 34,000 to 34,100 would be my sell entry point. Okay, this is somewhere which I will like to short sell, and lower side my targets will be 33,800 and 33,600 over a period of time as it looks as of today. Okay, about S&P 500, the strong or prominent support for S&P 500 is at 4,050. Okay. If you look at the price action, we have seen that it is getting a strong rejection. The price is getting rejected from the lower ends and it is being pushed back up. So if we expect this to continue, if the bulls are still trying to push back up, then what will be the level on the higher side? Again, similar to Dow Jones also, S&P 500 also, technically, as if I rely on price action, this will be the range if I get entry, a short entry. Okay, let me read it for you. It is between 4,100 to 4,125. So if I get a short opportunity anywhere in this range, or if I want to be more specific, this range, okay, if I get short opportunity in this range anywhere around 4,120 to 4,130, I will place my stop loss anywhere above 4,150. Okay, and I will expect the price to come down, and my target will be 4,050. Okay, so I will like to ride this downtrend. So the market is in downtrend right now, and it is bouncing back up, but I'm expecting it to come back down, and eventually it will make it to 4,050. Okay, so this is what I analyzed for Dow Jones and S&P 500. Now today, as a sample, okay, I will do more detailed analysis in further videos, but then as a sample today I tried checking my data for Tesla. So Tesla has a very strong support at 190, and it also looks like if you have learned price action, you will identify that this is where the Tesla is getting very strong rejection. So the resistance is 200, no doubt about it. So if I get entry anywhere close to 200, I will place my stop loss above 202.23, and I will like to enter short in Tesla for the targets of 190, and if the bears overpower the bulls very strongly, then my further targets will be 185. But if it makes it to 190, I will trail my stop loss, or I should be happy to book my profits also anywhere close to 190. My practice is I never wait for the price to make it till my target. Okay, if my target is 190, I would be happy to book my profit at 190.5 or even at 191. Okay. So anywhere close to 190, I will book my profits. If you are already in the trade, you can trail your stop loss and wait till 190. If it further goes down, then the next target will be 185. But then if I get it anywhere close to 185, then I will like to take in a contra trade. I will like to buy it again for the targets of 190 and 195. Okay, so I'm expecting somewhat this kind of a movement in Tesla. If I get it, like already in pre-market, it is showing that it is going to open a bit down. But this is what I will expect. It will come to 190, it will bounce a little bit. Then it might come back down to 185. And from here, again, it might come to 190 and eventually it can make it to 195. So this is what I will expect to happen. Obviously in smaller time frames, not because the chart I'm using is day time frame, but this is what I can expect to happen in the smaller time frames, maybe in 2 or 3 days. Okay, coming 2 to 3 days, including 2 days. Okay, so this is what I have to say about US and Canadian markets as of today. Tomorrow onwards, I will definitely like to cover more assets. If you want me to analyze any assets, if you have any positions and you want me to analyze, you can mention the names of your assets in the comment, and I will take out some time. I will make sure that I will cover most of them in this pre-market road by Reliance Trading Academy for US and Canadian markets. Okay, thank you once again, and before leaving, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you again tomorrow in the pre-market road by Reliance Trading Academy. Take care, happy trading.